Hello, Sam. This is Holly. I'm going to do my second peer review on your infographic on apposition. Um, I'm going to start off by saying that my first impression of your infographic was that it didn't have enough graphics, but the more I looked at it, I actually think that you don't need a ton of graphics because I liked your use of color blocks, and I think that they really help the reader transition to different ideas. So the way you have everything set up here and how the colors change and the backgrounds change from idea to idea, I really think that that helps, and the boxes and arrows and things. I think that that all actually helps a lot, and maybe you just don't need that many graphics. I thought that was a good idea. Um, I thought that the bolding and the use of the color orange, I thought that that was really good in this section. I thought it really helps the reader read your ideas and your examples, and it kind of just, I don't know, it flows very well. Um, the whole setup actually of this section with the boxes and the arrows, I thought that flowed really well as well. As somebody who doesn't really have any declarative knowledge on apposition or appositives, I thought that this section right here, the apposition and commas, I thought that's pretty essential. I'm glad you included that. I wouldn't have known either of these two things about when to use commas and when not to use commas, so I thought that that was a really good addition to your infographic. Down here at the bottom, I like your things to remember as kind of like a review or a summary of what you just read. I thought that that was really helpful as a reader. Your practice section, I also really liked that. I think it's cool how you are having the reader create their own practice. I think that sometimes creation is a better way of learning than just filling in the blank. I think that was a great idea. The only thing I would say about your infographic in regards to what you could do better or maybe fix would be that there wasn't a whole lot of mention of the linguistic terms of analysis that we are supposed to use. Now, I'm not sure if that's necessary. I guess that would be up to Dr. Versalati, because your titles of each of your sections, they're very reader friendly, and especially to someone who doesn't know about your topic. However, I'm wondering if things like what makes an appositive would be better as like form or syntactical position or semantics or things like that. Like if you could use those words as your headings instead. Just because the only linguistic terms that I see in here are like noun phrase and verb phrase and clause and stuff like that. Like that was pretty much all I could find that had to do with linguistics necessarily. So that would be my one area of criticism, but I think overall your infographic is super appealing, and I think it was well laid out. So just wanted to say good job, and I hope that my review was helpful. Thanks, Sam. Bye.